Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Vanessa Palaw from Bacoor City, Cavite. I'm 40 years old. I'm a single mom with 3 beautiful daughters, ages 17, 14, and 12 years old. My highest education achievement is high school graduate. My hobbies are reading books, singing, cooking, and cleaning. I worked as a housemaid before in Singapore, Hong Kong, Dubai, and Kuwait. My duties are taking care of the kids, cleaning the house, wash the dishes, wash the clothes, ironing, preparing, and cook meals. I like to work in Hong Kong as I want to save more money for my family future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm honest, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you and good day.